to this week's Spotlight Assemblies, beamed into your homes. Today's Spotlight Assembly is hosted by myself, Sarah, and also Taki. Before we get started, we would like to remind you about personal codes during our time in assemblies. Please make sure you are listening. Carefully try our assemblies. This shows that you are being respectful penguins.
We would like to remind all of you musicians out there that we would love for you to perform in our assembly. If you would like to perform and you must be prepared to practice, then please let Miss Anne know. Now, let's see what exciting learning has been going on in school this week. Year 2 have shared their exit point where they share all of their learning about reducing the use of electricity. It is great to see how Year 2 are taking action to make a positive change to the world. You are superheroes. We will also see some examples of stop-motion animation from Year 4. Year 5 have also shared learning about their brain.
I will help to save electricity by opening my room curtains and let the sun shine in. Using natural light instead of artificial light will greatly reduce the amount of electricity used. You can also use sunlight to save electricity.
I'll help to save electricity by turning off the lights, fans, and AC when I leave a room. Please don't forget to do the same thing when you leave a room, so that we can help save our planet Earth from global warming.
Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you to save electricity. My plan for this is to never use electricity for 3 or 4 days.
I will help to save electricity by using less hot water in the shower. Let's all help save the planet.
I will help save electricity by closing the fridge door. If not, air will escape.
I will help to save electricity by turning off the light when I leave the room.
I can help save electricity by turning light switches off when I don't need them. I can also save electricity by turning the air conditioning off when I don't need it. And finally, I can save electricity by unplugging unused items.
I will help to save electricity by don't overcharge any devices even when fully charged. It will continue using a small amount of energy. So we should unplug all the unused socket plugs if possible. I can do it, so you can do it too.
I will save electricity by turning the light off when I don't need them. You can try to save electricity too.
I will help to save electricity by turning off the lights and fan before leaving the room.
I will help to save electricity by switching off lights when I leave a room. You can follow these rules too.
First, the cocoa pods are harvested and then cut open by a machete. Bezos, please come.
But I have stage fright.
Just come.
Okay, but just for explaining. Ow! Okay, but what are we doing again?
And then the beans are fermented and left in the sun to dry. And then the beans are put in large sacks. From the sacks, they are put into the lorry. After they are put into the lorry, they are brought to the factory. Factory roasts them. The beans are crushed and the outer shells are removed. And then the inner part is pressed and liquid chocolate is produced. And then they are sent to the shops. I hope you like my stop animation. Bye!
First, the farmer plucks the cacao pods from the cacao trees. Then the pods are harvested. Then the cacao seeds are spread in the sun. After that, they are put into large sacks. Then they are transported by the middleman. Then the beans are roasted. Then they are sold for people to buy.
Hi, my name's Sonny. This is a picture of my brain.
Hi, my name is Adam Morak.
Hello, my name is Aya.
Hi, my name is Hannah.
My name is Irsa.
My name is Jamie.
Hi, my name is Charlie.
My name is Khadija.
My name is Dargo, and I am different from everyone else
because I'm short.
It's because I'm talented in bike tricks.
Because I'm mixed American and Malaysian.
Because I was independent in Japan for 5 weeks.
Because I am good at cooking.
Because I love hanging out with my mom. I'm different from all the people. Because my brain is different.
And why I'm different is probably because I can sing, or either that my kindness is rare. So, yeah.
I'm a little different from everyone else because I like to do a lot of arts and crafts and drawing.
My name's Safrina and I am different from everyone else because I like to dance, sing, and play the ukulele.
Different from everyone else because I am interested in history.
My name is Jingy and I am different from everyone else because I'm good at music.
I'm good at
reading and writing.
riding bikes and exercising, crafting.
I am good at math and reading.
I'm good at cycling and baking.
I like to play video games and I am good at it.
I'm interested in baking.
Arts and crafts.
I am interested in learning how to draw animation, and I am interested in history.
Then my interest is probably drawing, computer games.
I'm interested to learn more about history.
I'm very scared of jump scares.
I am always scared of the dark.
I am scared of forgetting to do my work, not remembering my learning, and failing my tests.
I'm scared of being alone.
I'm scared of my sister Michelle being scary. And
I'm worried about the COVID.
I am worried how long COVID will last for, and how long we will need to be quarantined at home.
that's why I'm different from everybody else.
And that is my brain.
Fantastic learning, everyone. Speaking of our international mindness goal of taking action to make positive changes to the world, this week we launched our Nexus Change for Good campaign, where we have invited all of our Nexus families to choose one area to make a positive change for the month of March.
From number 1, buy locally and reduce food malls. This would reduce food malls and mean that the food would be more fresh. Number 2, reduce our use of single-use plastic. Single-use plastic is not usually recycled and the waste can be dangerous for animals and humans. Number 3, eat less meat. Meat consumption can be reason for a lot of deforestation and also water use. Number 4, say no to new clothes. Fast fashion increase our carbon footprint and water consumption. The website which explains this further has been shared in the newsletter, so please do discuss with your families and join the challenge to really make a positive difference to the world.
It has been a quiet week for birthdays this week with just Tamika in early years. Let's say happy birthday to Tamika. Thank you for listening, everyone. And now over to Miss Claire.
Hello everyone, and thank you so much to Thakif and Sarah for your amazing presenting skills, and thanks to everyone for sharing their learning. I'm really excited to see which challenges your family will take on board. I'm going to reduce my consumption of meat for March. Now, I know you might have been disappointed this week at not being able to come into school because we thought the school would be opened, and I want to say thank you to you all learners for being so resilient and adaptable and carrying on with your online learning. I want to say a huge thank you to the teachers who had planned for coming back into school quite quickly, then suddenly adapted to change to being back online again. What an amazing team. Have a wonderful, restful weekend, everybody, and we'll see you online next week. Take care.